So I've got my cell phone. This is an iPhone hooked up to the included cell phone clamp on top of the VT20 by SmallRig. This is the first SmallRig product. I've actually got a couple on my desk right now that I've tested out, and I've been quite impressed with the quality so far. Oh yeah, we can just pan like a pro just using our index finger on this SmallRig VT20. This is a desktop tripod for, in my case, a cell phone, but it is quite sturdy, quite stout, very high quality material. You can put cameras on here, whatever. It's rated up to, I'll put it on the screen, I don't remember the pounds, but I think it's like 12 or 14 pound devices. This is a very capable tripod. I've got it on my desk. It's extended most of the way up. You can go down a little bit, and the legs go back and forth a good bit to where you can put them flush. You probably have a total of about 6 or 8 inches of adjustability. So it is specifically for the desktop, and it's perfect for my use case. That's what I needed. I needed something smaller and more sturdy because I'd been using, and I've tried a few different things out recently, but I'd been using this guy, which, you know, this works. It's collapsible. It's a selfie stick pretty much with your regular old grip top like that. But I wanted something a little bit more sturdy. So I've been real impressed with this. Check this out. These are actually extendable. So you unscrew, slide out, unscrew again, slide out, unscrew again, slide out. So at every like quarter turn or so, it'll unscrew a little bit more, and then you can tighten them back into place by screwing it back the other way. So now you've got quite a bit more of extension available from these legs. So we also have some adjustability right here in this center column. You can latch it down by tightening this collar right here all the way, and now that's snug. Then if we loosen this up and we actually unscrew this bottom metal piece right here, we can invert the whole thing. So check this out. Loosen that up, pop that out, put this up under there. There's a little plastic collar that wants to pop out when I do that. So I'm going to just put that like so. Tighten this back down. And then put this guy on the top instead of the bottom. Get this nice and snug, and check that out. Now you can attach something on the reverse side for some interesting angles if you so needed.